Now we can listen to nature, get stoned, enjoy our coffee.
No, mosquito.
Shit.
What's this?
That's the from this left from Mammoth's car and what was left in that jar. I was trying to finish that off first.
What's that weed from that guy that gave it to us, and then that dog food?
Now it's that chow right there. Yeah, I can't wait for the berries to come in. I'm about to pick the shit out of those. We're gonna have to get some Home Depot buckets.
You should grab my iPad, babe, and I can look up. I want to play 20 questions with you.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask you some. See you? See that?
And then I feel like I was forgetting something before I sat down. I'm gonna remember once I cut this off for now. And then if we'll listen to it, we'll probably play through your iPad or something. I'm gonna save for it tonight as mid jams.
Full screen app, full screen, and windowed apps. No, I want to keep it the same. I don't want you to change my stuff around.
I like it when we kick it out here around this time. It's nice. And then we get to see everything as it changes as the sun goes down.
Oh.
It's nice if you just hear all the little crickets and little bugs, insects, I should say.
Except the mosquitoes, we don't like them.
Yeah, they go eat our dick.
Okay, random questions, babe. I'm gonna hit you with some random questions.
Okay.
Fill in the blank. Life is too short to tolerate blank.
Stress?
Stress?